What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And yeah, this video was suggested by Kate Norris. Big ups, thanks, man. 2020 Atlantic Hurricane Seasons animation. Um, I actually took this suggestion because I like watching this type of stuff, so it could be interesting. And yeah, if you guys do like this video, please give it a like, subscribe. Go over to Force 13 because that's the person or the people that made this video. And yeah, let's get into it. I think I forgot one other thing, but fuck it, fuck it.
Hurricane Dorian is going to make a catastrophic pass to the Bahamas later today as a Category 5 with winds of 160 miles per hour. The chaos and tragedy of Hurricane Dorian in 2019 set a reminder to us all of the possibilities of any Atlantic hurricane season, let alone one that was forecasted to be more active than usual, as was the case in 2020.
Bro, what, bro? Because people are saying, well, not people, like experts are saying that all the ice is melting, right? What happens if all the ice melts? Will there be any land, or will there be like small island chains here and there? Because there's a lot of fucking ice on this planet still. Imagine. There's still a lot of ice.
Some people dared to predict that 2020 would get towards the end of the conventional naming list, which hadn't been seen since 2005, when we entered the Greek alphabet for the first and only time, reaching the letter Zeta, the sixth Greek letter. And so, once again, the Atlantic hotspots prepared for another Atlantic hurricane season ahead, one that could have brought almost anything to anywhere along the coastlines of North America and the Caribbean islands. Were the 2005 season comparisons warranted? Would we get another straight year with a Category 5? This is the 2020.
I remember when Hurricane Katrina happened. I didn't live on the coastlines, but at the time I did live in Illinois, and if you see the path that Hurricane Katrina went, it actually went through Illinois. Bro, the storm on that day in August, bro, it was crazy. It was bad. It was bad.
20 Atlantic hurricane season animation as analyzed by Force 13.
We can drag one of these.
I'm like, what? What? Bro, the power went off. We had to use candles and shit. Like, why is this hurricane season? May differ. $112,000 in damage, 5 injuries, 0 fatalities. This is hurricanes in 2020, right? Bertha. Big Bertha. Amanda. 3L. Cristobal. 190. $155 million. So wait, when it does this type of shit, like, hold on. When it does this, when it goes inland, is it still considered a hurricane? That shit went all the way up to Canada. Almost Greenland. These hurricanes have, bro. These many. I don't know how to talk, bro. Sometimes. Multiple hurricanes happen at a time. Around the same place. You see how far that one went? Jeez. The other thing is that they cause so much damages. This one's just chilling. Oh no, it just turned into a fucking big ass one. I didn't see the fucking last number, bro. I just saw 400 million. Some of these don't even have names. Oh, okay. So, oh, okay, I get it. See, like right here, 4L and the 14L and then the 13L, and then I guess as they get bigger, they know what type of storm it is. How? Yeah, see. What costs more, hurricanes or tornadoes? I believe hurricanes. Oh, okay. I wasn't understanding this changing colors, bro. Category 2, Category 3, Category 4 hurricane. Okay. So what does the S stand for? Storm? And then D is what? Dormant? What's L? So many questions. There's so many answers. Oh, okay, so it's around September, October. That's when hurricanes, like, even November, it gets like bad. My camera's blocking the dates, but it's September 30th right now. At this point. What? What? Jeez, look how many. Look how many storms. Man, Louisiana is not getting any love. Look, it gets hit really hard here. Bro, it scared the fuck out of me, to be honest. Bro, I was so intrigued. I'm like, damn. I didn't realize how many fucking storms actually at once too. How many storms happen at once? Killing so many people, bro. Bro, the amount of numbers that I've seen when it comes to fatalities, injuries, and cost, it's crazy. Ooh, this place got. Hurricane Laura was the costliest of several Gulf Coast landfalls in 2020. Hurricane Laura was the only Category 5 of the year, adding further misery to Central America after ETA. Okay, Hurricane Arthur, 60-mile-per-hour winds. I don't know what the MB is. Bertha, 45 miles per hour. Hannah, 90 miles per hour. Oh my. Laura, 155 miles per hour. That's fucking nuts, bro. So this one was the worst. Okay. Teddy was the worst. Oh, they got hit with 5 really bad ones. And the worst one was this one. In a way. $17 billion. Laura, you hit different. Sorry. So these were the places that were hit the worst or the most. Damn. Bro, this one got hit really bad. Same with Louisiana, but this one has two orange. No, that's not orange. That's red. 2 reds. Jeez. I think that's it. But yeah, this was crazy. I didn't even realize that multiple storms can happen at once and affect different parts at once. It just shows you how crazy the world is, like, when it comes to storms. Like, I've been in my few share of really bad storms, but I don't imagine being in something like this, like where you have to worry about I'm gonna get swept away or I'm going to die today. Like, no, it's just fucking sad, bro. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give a like, subscribe, go over to 413's channel, like their video, subscribe to their channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.